What really makes Klovinal that special? I know that Klovinal has trended for a long time online, but do you really know why Klovinal is that special? Let me tell you. Now, Klovinal is a pessary. What I mean by pessary is that it is a vaginal tablet. It's a tablet that you insert in your vagina to treat yeast infections, but it doesn't only treat yeast infection. Now, when you check, you see that Klovinal contains 3 different ingredients. The first ingredient is Clotrimazole. Clotrimazole is what is contained in your mycotin and in other vaginal pessaries that are used to treat yeast. Clotrimazole is actually an antifungal which treats yeast infections. But the thing is that most times when ladies have infections in their vagina, it's not caused by only one organism. It's not caused by only fungi. So you notice that there is yeast, which is caused by fungi, but in addition, there's also bacteria, which you know from the bad smell from your vaginal discharge, like bad fishy smell or bad rotten egg smell. That usually shows that there is bacteria involved. So that kind of infection is called mixed vaginal infection because it's not caused by only fungi, it's caused by both fungi and bacteria. And that bacteria will be treated by what is called Metronidazole, this particular ingredient, right? Metronidazole, do you know what it is? It's actually flagell. So when you use Klovinal, you are inserting flagell into your vagina. Did you know this before? Let me know. So it contains Metronidazole and it contains your Clotrimazole. So these 2 ingredients treat both yeast and bacteria. For example, if you have bacterial vaginosis, right, this will treat it very well. But guess what? There's one last ingredient that is very, very special. And that ingredient is this last one, Lactobacillus spores. This Lactobacillus is actually probiotic. Now, the thing is, in our vagina, we have probiotics. Probiotics are basically good bacteria, but because of certain things, maybe harsh soaps, using Dettol to bath, or just certain imbalance down there due to maybe you take antibiotics for a long time, it clears the good bacteria. So this tends to replace that lactobacillus. It replaces the good bacteria. So it brings your vaginal balance back to normal. So it doesn't just treat the yeast, it doesn't just treat the bacteria, it also replaces your vaginal flora. And you need your vaginal flora to be balanced in order to not have infections, which is why you see a lot of people marketing probiotics, right? Because they market it as, a supplement that will prevent infection. That is true, because if your good bacteria are intact, bad bacteria will not overgrow and yeast will not overgrow. This is because every woman has yeast down there and every woman has some bacteria down there. So, but if your good bacteria are optimal, the way they are supposed to be, then your yeast will not overgrow, giving you yeast infections, and bacteria will also not overgrow. That is how probiotics actually help ladies. So that is what makes Klovinal so special, because of the probiotic that it contains. But the next question is, should you use Klovinal after every period to cleanse your vagina? A lot of ladies already do it. You want to know what I think about it? I'll give you my professional view on it in my next video. So like this video and follow me, because this is what I do on this channel. And in my following video, I'm going to explain what that really means. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it recommended? Is it not recommended? See you on the next one.